Hi, I'm Gary Porter, retired Lieutenant Colonel, JAG. I'm chair of the New York State Bar Association veteran. And if you're a military parent dealing with custody laws in New York, let me give you the bottom line up front. Our service does not disqualify you from custody, and deployment cannot be used to take your kids away. New York law protects the relationship between the military parent and their children. Oh, is it simple? Of course not. Military, nothing's ever simple. But here's what you need to know. First, deployment is not a weapon. 20 years ago, an upstate judge tried to yank custody from a National Guard mom simply because she was deploying. And Albany fixed this in record time. Deployment can only lead to a temporary change. And when you return, you go right back to court to restore the old schedule. The court must give you reasonable telephone and video access while you're gone. Second, you can participate in any virtual court conference, even if you're deployed. I've had clients join hearings from the Sandbox, Europe, even Gitmo. If you truly can't appear, the Service Member Civil Relief Act lets you pause the case for days, weeks, or months. But you're going to need a letter from your commander explaining why you're unavailable and when you'll be back. Third, 50-50 custody is possible. Guard and Reserve, all can do it with planning. Judges look to your deployment tempo, drill schedule, housing stability, and how well you communicate with the other parent. Active duty parents have more custody challenges, but we can make it work with smart scheduling like extended holidays and full summer parenting. Fourth, PCS moves are not treated like, oh, hey, I feel like moving to Arizona. PCS orders will trigger New York's relocation rules. Judges look at whether the move keeps the child connected to both parents, whether the military ordered it, and whether the child benefits. If you're the custodial parent, a PCS can jeopardize custody. I've had custodial parents able to take the kids to Hawaii, even Europe. Fifth, military families need rock-solid agreements, such as what happens the moment deployment orders hit. How do you handle video and telephone schedules? The makeup time when you return. Drill weekend rules. And yes, give your ex the drill schedule every September. And if there's a change in the schedule during the year, let them know early. Sixth, have a family care plan. If you're the custodial parent, family care plans are required by the military. Non-custodial parents aren't required to have one, no matter what a confused commander says. Finally, get help. Start with your installation's legal assistance office. They can't represent you in court, but they can prepare you. And if it's getting complicated, get counsel who understands both New York law and military life. A lot of lawyers freeze up when military rules enter the picture. That's why the New York Bar Association has a committee dedicated to this. The good news, you're not alone. Active duty, guard, reserve, veteran, you got rights. You have protections. You have people who know how to fight for you and have your back. If you need guidance, call me at 516-352-2999. Military to military. I always have time for you.